In this video, I'm going to show you how videos like this can bring you side hustle income fast and you don't have to spend any money. So watch this video to learn how this video and 4 other ways can actually bring you easy money as a side hustle. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start 5 different side hustles 100% for free and make money by this weekend. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the video that you just saw is an unboxing video, and you can make pretty good money simply unboxing videos in the form of user-generated content, or UGC. Now, basically what UGC is, as I just explained, it's content that the average Joe like me and you create, and brands are shifting towards this method because they realize that professionally done videos no longer work. 5, 10, 15 years ago, brands like McDonald's and Applebee's would hire professionals to a professional advertising agency to create high quality, engaging advertisers. That no longer works because people like me and you want to buy from people like me and you. And so the shift that has taken place in the marketplace is simply companies reaching out to the average Joe in a variety of ways, which we'll talk about in just a moment, and saying, hey, I want you to create an unboxing video. We'll send you the product and you just need to open it up. In addition, if you create another video talking about a review, making a review for the product, we'll pay you. The cool thing with user-generated content is you don't actually need to have your own following, because they're going to take this video and they're going to upload it to their own brand accounts. So you don't need a following. You don't need to have an email list. You don't need to have some of those other things that you may think you need in order to start a business. You're going to unbox products. You are going to give reviews, first impressions, and how you use it, and you can make money. Here are a few ways that you can find user-generated content side hustles. One is coming over to Google and just typing in UGC marketplaces. There are a ton of marketplaces out there that you can use. A second one is with Fiverr. Now look at this. There are only 940 services available for UGC content. And you can see people are making anywhere between $45 and $200 with simple videos. Now, these usually are going to be vertical videos that are about 1 minute to 2 minutes in length. And what you can do too is you can do what's called buyer requests. You can go up and look and see if people are asking for special requests, and you can make money. Now, you can actually make money really quickly as soon as they mail you the product, and you can start making. So that's number one. Number two is actually with simple 5-page WordPress websites. Now, with this method, you can make $3,000 or more with simple 5-page WordPress websites. Now, when I first started this, I was only charging $300 for WordPress websites. And then my friend down in Chicago said, hey, look, you need to charge more. And so I kept increasing my price and no one batted an eye. Eventually, I started charging $3,000 for these simple 5-page WordPress websites and nobody batted an eye. And so here's how you're going to find clients. You're going to come over here to your search bar and you're going to type in something like plumbers near me, right? And so you're going to scroll down here and look at all of the local businesses. And you're looking for businesses that don't have a website. So Dunham Plumbing doesn't have a website. You'd want to reach out to them and say, all of your competitors have a website. You're missing out on opportunity. You can come down to Chris the Plumber. You're missing out on opportunity. Let them know that they need an upgraded website. They need to add more information to their Google My Business, and then you can make money. But what you want to do is find ones that don't have a website. This is one way. A second way is using a website called Data Exile. And with Data Exile, it actually will give you a list of every business in the United States. You can comb through, find which ones don't have a website. You can reach out to them and then make more money. Let me know if you want me to create a separate video on how to do this step by step, and I will show you, because this is a great way to make money. And if you don't know how to build a WordPress website, it's really simple. First step is, once you find a client, get half up front. So if you're charging $3,000, make sure you get $1,500 up front. Then come over to this website, themeforest.net, and you are going to type in plumber like I did and download one of these WordPress themes. You're going to download it and put it right into their web hosting platform. Then you are going to create 5 pages, a home page, about us, contact us, a products and services page, and then 1 page of their choice. And you're going to ask them for pictures and images, and then you're going to put them right into their website, and you're going to make it look pretty. Once you're done, you're going to say, how does this look? They're going to pay you, and then you can move on to the next client. If for whatever reason you don't know how to build a 5-page WordPress website, look on YouTube. There's tons of tutorials. And the cool thing is you don't have to do any coding. You don't have to learn HTML or CSS. This is done like 99% for you. You just have to make a few changes. But there are a number of ways that you can find customers. I actually put together a course of 30 ways that you can find high-paying customers for your WordPress website. After building WordPress websites, you can make money as a vertical video editor. Now, if you take a look at my screen right now, here's an example of the type of video that you could create. These are great for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, wherever vertical videos are uploaded. And this isn't that hard. My video editor that does it, I pay somebody to do it. What she does is she uploads my videos into a software called CapCut. It's a free software, and she just makes a few changes, adds a few images, and then she sends it back to me via a Google Doc. Now, if you look on Fiverr here, you can see that people are making anywhere between $10 and $50 for these short videos. But the reason why business owners want this is because it helps create engaging content for the consumer. The longer the consumer stays on the video, the more engaged they are, and the more the algorithms are in love with that. So if you're looking for a decent way to make money online relatively quickly, this can be a great way to go. If we look at Fiverr, it has over 6,900 services available. One way to actually cut that in half is to look at buyer request. And with buyer request, buyers or sellers are looking for custom orders, and you can actually do that and make pretty good money in no time. Doing this on CapCut takes probably 5 minutes per video, so you can make really good money really quickly. After being a vertical video editor, you can make money simply leveling up players in games. So if we look at this here, people will pay you to level up their player. This one will actually level up FIFA for you. Madden just came out, so there are going to be people that are willing to up level or upgrade their Madden profile, and you can make money this way. You can see this person has over 161 reviews, probably has much more jobs than that. And this is simply just playing video games. Now, if you already have a PlayStation lying around, this is going to work out great. You could even require that the person buys the game for you if they are truly serious about leveling up, and you can make even more money that way. And you get a free game. So this is a really cool opportunity. You can also do the same thing over on Fiverr, but this is actually really easy, especially if you enjoy playing video games, and this can work for any game. League of Legends, FIFA, Madden, you name it, it works for all of them. And the last way that we want to talk about is simply making money talking in Discord servers. Yes, you can make anywhere between $5 and $20 simply engaging group members. One of the biggest challenges that group owners have is simply getting people to talk in their group. And you could be that person to spur conversation, to ask questions, and to get other members engaged. This can be helpful if the Discord server owner is doing this to make money until they're willing to pay people to talk. But you can make anywhere between $5 and $20 really quickly, simply talking, answering questions, being supportive, and you can make money. So let's recap these real quick. Number one was user-generated content, or UGC. Number two, you can make $3,000 or more building simple 5-page WordPress websites. Number three, you can make money being a vertical video editor. Number four, you can get paid to play video games. And number five, you can get paid to talk in Discord. Now that you know 5 side hustles that you can start seeing money this weekend, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you step-by-step how to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, spending a dime on paid ads, or having a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.